Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I'm making up dinner, wanting to jump on. As always, share this with you guys. I don't know if you've ever tried the Tuscan chicken, the pasta. That's really good. I make it up quite a bit. It's something that's requested a lot around here, and it's just another dish I wanted to share with you guys. A lot of you have tried it, I'm sure. A lot of you haven't, but I'm going to show you how I do it. So let's go ahead and get started. I have a little over a pound of some chicken tenderloin, and I have it salted. In my pan here, I have a good tablespoon of oil of your choice, and we're going to brown this maybe 3 minutes per side on a high heat and get this cooked. I have another pack here, but I don't want to crowd the pan because I want that to fry up good. But those are salted on both sides, and I'm going to cook them for 3 minutes high heat, and I'll get the second pack in and we'll be back. But meanwhile, get you a 12-ounce package of angel hair spaghetti. Get that going, cook that all up, and reserve 1.5 cups of your spaghetti liquid, because that'll be added to your sauce on your pasta here. So reserve at least 1.5 cups of that boiled water that's from your spaghetti. Don't throw it out, guys. 12 ounces. Get that cooking up. Some angel hair pasta. Alright, guys. I got my chicken done. This is actually, I looked at the weight. It's a little bit more than 1/4 pounds. Just a little, maybe one over. One little chicken tender over. But this is the chicken I have cooked. Now, with the same pan, go ahead and put you 6 to 8 slices of pepper bacon. Some pepper bacon. Okay, so we're going to get this fried up. And while this is frying, I'm going to go ahead and slice the chicken in fairly thin strips. But I'll get this bacon nice and crispy. Okay, now meanwhile, like I said, our bacon's frying up. We're going to go ahead and slice this chicken in some thin strips. Just some thin strips. Okay, let me straighten this up here, guys. I turned my pan off here, and I did remove some of the bacon fat from there, because it did give me quite a bit. If you want to leave it all in, that's up to you. It's more flavor. I took a little bit off, but you could still see I have plenty in my pan. Okay, now to that I'm gonna add in, hang on guys, grab my stuff over here. Let's see. Okay, I have 2 cups. I cut them in half of cherry tomatoes. Get those in there. And 3 cups of baby spinach. It looks like more than 3 cups, but you're going to pack those cups. And 1 large tablespoon of chopped garlic, chopped very fine. Okay. Where'd my spoon go, guys? Who took off with it? Like always, I lose my spoons. Where did I? There it is. Well, not a spoon, a spatula, that'll work. Gonna cook this just till you start smelling it good and that spinach wilts down to nothing. And I have this on medium-high heat. Don't let it go too long because you do not want your your garlic, I'm sorry, to burn. See how that spinach is wilting down there? Just a couple of minutes, guys. We'll let that go. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of salt. Season this up a little. Little bit of pepper, not a lot because we did use pepper bacon. But if you like pepper, go for it. I probably just put maybe a quarter of a teaspoon. Alright. Now, that's been going. Now to that, I'm going to get my other stuff here. I'm going to get my heavy cream. Add that in. That's 2/3 of a cup of heavy cream. Get this out of the way. Okay, and then over here, I'm going to add in my reserved pasta water. Hope you guys can hear me over here. My reserved pasta water, 1 cup. Okay. And where is my parm? Here we are. 1/2 cup of parm. Just 1 second, guys. Okay, throw that in. Now I'm going to turn this down just a tad here. Now do remember, especially if you salted your water with your pasta, be careful salting here. And your chicken is salted, so. Okay, we're just going to simmer this maybe 4 minutes or so. And we'll get our other ingredients added, okay? Okay, this is bubbling, but it is turned off. Now just remember, you can taste this now and think, oh, it needs more salt, it needs more salt. Remember, that chicken's going in here. That chicken is salted, and you got salted bacon. So please be careful not to over salt. Actually, you can adjust your seasonings after a while. And I did keep 1 piece of bacon out and chopped it up real good for the top, just for presentation. You don't have to do that. Put them all in there. Okay, let me get my pasta here, guys. And that's the 12-ounce package of pasta you're going to put in there, the angel hair. You can actually put much as you want. It just depends on how loose you want your pasta, how much sauce. So sometimes I just eyeball. Okay. There's that. Here's my chicken. The bacon may look overcooked, but it's not. Remember, that's fried and it's crispy. And it's got that black pepper on it, which causes it to brown more. Okay. I am going to get this mixed up. I'm going to mix this up in here, and I'm going to get it plated up, and we will be back for the presentation. All right, there it is, my friends. There it is. I just dumped it all out on the plate there so y'all can see what it looks like. Presentation's everything. And while it's still warm, when it comes out, I'll throw on a little bit more parm and mix it in well while it's warm. But there it is. You guys give that a try. We're having it with some, I have in the refrigerator Nice cold crisp salad. Got some bread here for sopping up them beautiful juices there that came from that. Oh, that's good. Mm. That bacon, that garlic. Oh yeah. But really pack your tablespoon with that garlic. That's everything in this dish is that garlic. And your salt to your liking. But give it a try, guys. It is delicious. You never tried it, give it a try. Until next time, we will see you guys later. Stay safe out there with this messy virus going around. I hope all of you guys are well, and like I said, just stay safe. And God bless y'all, and try it. Let me know what you think. Bye-bye, y'all. God bless.